Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I am thankful for sunshine. When I was younger, I liked to grow food. 10 years ago, I just liked to grow for the pleasure of growing. However, as the years have passed, and I think I've told you before that we spent many hours on the road and buying bags of chips and whatever to eat something really fast. Now I find myself growing intentionally, because if I don't grow intentionally, I won't have the things that I need so that my body can be in the performance mode that it needs to be in. Perhaps you recall that video I did a few weeks ago about the 10 foods you can eat to fight high blood pressure. Well, one of the things that I'm going to grow this year is arugula, and probably another thing is beets. But the reason for that is, this morning everybody was, I don't know why we all got in on the thing, but we wanted to check our blood sugar, so we went and checked our blood sugar with a finger poke. But mine took a long time to, I had to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze to get any blood out of my finger. So I know that my blood is thick, and it's coagulating inside of me instead of outside, which is not good. That makes your heart have to work extra. So I'm going to intentionally grow foods that will help me maintain health. And the second thing that I have to do is eat those foods and not eat other foods that won't promote my health. Now, that's probably the hardest part, but since we are basically through the holiday season and I can get back in a regular swing of things instead of being thrust from one party to another. I do have one more to attend on New Year's Day, but after that, we should be good. Anyway, I just wanted to find out what you guys this is part of my New Year's resolutions is going to be to eat better and to plant the things that'll not only keep me healthy but keep my family healthy. And I just wanted to ask you guys, what are you going to do to promote your health this year? If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to receive all of our videos. Don't forget, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.